Welcome to ChatGPT, the AI-powered chatbot designed to help you with a wide range of queries and questions. In this video, we will guide you through the process of using ChatGPT as a beginner. I can't do this. Guys, I know it's not a robo, but at the end of the day, it is artificial intelligence. And in my head, that's how it sounds. Anyway, I don't know how it exactly sounds, but I do know one thing. There's almost nothing that it cannot do. So, today let's get to know ChatGPT a little better and find out what's the buzz all about, one step at a time. Come on, let's start. Choose the platform. You know guys, ChatGPT can be accessed through various platforms, including web browsers, mobile applications, messaging services such as WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and Telegram, so many more. Just choose a platform that you're comfortable using and have easy access to. Open the chatbot. So, once you have chosen the platform, you need to open ChatGPT. If you are using a web browser, simply type in chatgpt.com and hit enter. And in case of a messaging service, search for ChatGPT and then select the option that matches the platform that you are using. How to register an OpenAI account. Using the ChatGPT chatbot is fairly simple, as all you have to do is type in your text and receive the information. However, OpenAI does require an account before you can use any of its tools. So, if you don't have one, you will have to register. You have the option of choosing an easy login with a Google or Microsoft account. Otherwise, if you have any other kind of email, you can enter it manually. After this, you must enter a phone number. However, keep in mind that you cannot use a virtual phone number to register for OpenAI. You will then receive a confirmation number, which you will then enter in the registration page to complete the setup. Once you see some housekeeping rules about ChatGPT, including potential errors in data, how OpenAI collects data, and how users can submit feedback, you know then that you have successfully registered. So guys, what's inside ChatGPT? Let me tell you. ChatGPT webpage is simple, and it includes an area for the results to populate and a text box at the bottom of the page for users to type in their inquiry. You can start off with a question. However, OpenAI recommends that the best possible result can be found with a statement. For example, you can input the statement, "Explain how was the solar system made?" instead of the question, "How was the solar system made?" By inputting a statement, you will get a more detailed result. You also have the option to use ChatGPT in dark mode or light mode. You can also access the OpenAI Discord server from the ChatGPT webpage and log out from there. What can you ask ChatGPT? Well, that's the fun part. Since its launch, people have been doing everything to discover what can the chatbot do and what can it not do. And some of the results have been mind-blowing. Learning the kinds of prompts and follow-up prompts that ChatGPT responds well to requires some experimentation though. Much like we have learned that to get the information we want from traditional search engines, it can take some time to get the best results from ChatGPT too. Whether you think ChatGPT is an amazing piece of tech or will lead to the destruction of internet as we know it, it's worth trying out for yourself to see just what it's capable of. Provide feedback. ChatGPT is designed to learn and improve based on user interactions. If you feel that ChatGPT could have provided a better response or missed out on a crucial piece of information, provide feedback, guys. Trust me, this will help improve the chatbot's responses in the future. Protect your privacy. When using ChatGPT, it is important that you protect your privacy. Do not provide personal information or information that can be called confidential. ChatGPT is designed to provide information and answer queries, and it does not require personal information to do so. So keep that in mind. So guys, to sum it up, ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot that can help you with a wide range of queries and questions. With ChatGPT by your side, you can expand your knowledge, learn new things, and get the answers to your queries at any time, anywhere. Also, let me tell you a bit of a secret. The script for this video was made on ChatGPT. Now it's time for me to get back into my avatar. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Happy chatting. Do share your thoughts on this video and keep watching this space for more such content.